Time for Hollywood Hummingbird. He who sits in the same spot. Your mom's going nuts right now. She's supposed to come and feed you. My friend says I have to give you an Indian name. So it's he who sits in the same spot. You're not shy for me now. I'm almost touching you with this camera. You already know what it is. You're like a Hollywood Indian, except you're a Hollywood hummingbird. You hear your mom? She's chirping away. Cheep, cheep, cheep. She sees me putting this camera close to you, so she's getting excited. Hope she doesn't pick me off this extension ladder. Because this is too high. I'm scared right now. Oh, there you go.